No, that'd be really embarrassing.
Okay, just forget I won't. You missed that one.
Now she's just eating all the chocolate up.
Her eyes. She can hardly eat 'cause she's trying to...
Mommy. Dad.
That's cold.
Try.
No, I don't want to try it. Too cold. Too cold for me.
Try it. Try it. Come on.
Yummy. Yummy.
No, it's too cold.
Yummy.
It's too cold for me.
Try.
No.
Try.
Nope.
Oh, great.
Too cold.
Try.
Oh, no, I already had some. Oh, it's cold.
Try. Try.
Okay. I think I lost my appetite.
Well, she's gonna make sure you find it. Slimy banana. Ellie, get down. Get down. Tabitha doesn't want it.
It's all over my face. Okay, all done. Okay.
Go wash it off.
Yeah.
All done, Ellie. No more.
Here. I need to wash my face because you got my face all dirty.
Try.
No, I don't want to try any.
No try.
No, I doesn't want to try any either. It's too cold.
No, no. No, no.
Look at Mickey.
She had it. She was sticking it right on my braces. I was laughing.
I know. That was nasty.
But I was
Yeah.
afraid that my braces are gonna like freeze my teeth, you know?
Yeah.
No. Great, now that I was laughing, she just keeps wanting to do it. Brilliant.
Okay, Ellie, go put it in the garbage, please. You're a tired boy, huh? Huh. Okay, thank you. I don't want your sticky fingers on it. I don't want your sticky fingers on it. No. Ellie, go throw your banana in the garbage. It's yucky now.
Oh, that's something.
Yucky. Yummy.
It's yummy.
Hmm.
Ow! Noah! That hurts! Owie, don't bite me.